Manipur gangster Chungreng Koren making his way to the cage.
Chungreng Koren.
The Manipur gangster Chungreng Koren making his way to the cage.
He weighed in at 61.2 kilograms, representing Manipur, Chungreng Koren.
राहुल, बहुत ही खतरनाक फाइट होने वाली है ये। मैं एकदम अपनी कुर्सी के एज पे बैठा हुआ हूँ। इस केज में अब आग लगने वाली है, गारंटीड है।
बिल्कुल। And the action begins.
आते ही अंगद ने एक लेग किक मारी।
Oh, we can see
Chungreng. Chungreng टेक डाउन लेने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। That was unexpected, राहुल।
Bilkul Manan, Chungreng will go here for the takedowns because this is the last fight on the lead card, and after this we are heading to the co-main event for the evening.
Oh,
right
some
hand.
nice hard shots thrown by Chungreng. Angad blocked them though.
Oh, nice kick. A nice kick.
But he blocked them all, Rahul. Angad's doing a good job of keeping his hands up and blocking these strikes.
But yes, the Manipur gangster
Oh,
Chungreng
that left hook
Koren
landed
is
for
continuously
Chungreng.
at work.
Making sure MFN meets all the standards of a high quality event.
Oh, big shots exchanged by both of them.
Wow, Chungreng is on fire and Angad
Whoa,
for the
10 more
Rahul.
seconds.
यहाँ पे चुंगरन ने ऐसे लात और ऐसे घूसे चलाए हैं that I feel Angad has been rocked.
He lost via, oh, what a kick. What a kick.
Angad throwing that jab.
Whoa, another
Beautiful
one.
right overhand.
Oh,
my God.
Oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, the Manipur gangster in action tonight. This is fantastic. Whoa. Whoa,
wow.
big shots, big shots.
My God.
Let's look at the highlights. Chungreng throwing in those shots. Right hand, left
ये
hand.
क्या बवाल leg kick थी. Angad fell straight to the floor after that.
So Chungreng is actually barging into Angad's range, trying to make it dirty, and we can see it happening. He got a few punches, doesn't deter him, throws in a big left hand. As I said, Manan, मैं starting से बोल रहा हूँ, durability बहुत important चीज़ है. एक fighter को तीनों round तक टिकना आना चाहिए. But we can see Chungreng is still here. He's throwing in those punches.
अगर आपने अंगद बिश जैसे experienced fighter के साथ लड़ लिया तो आपने अपना नाम कमा लिया.
4, 5. That's amazing.
Unstoppable.
Less than 10 seconds before we go to the judge's decision. Chungreng on the feet again, throws in a right hammer hand.
Last 10 seconds
All
belong
right.
to Chungreng again.
First we introduce the blue corner. He weighed in at 65.9 kilograms, representing Manipur. Give it up for Chungreng Koren. He weighed in at 65.8 kilograms, representing Rajasthan. Make some noise for Aman Saini.
All right, round one begins.
Yeah, and Koren's not doing a good job of rushing in like that. Fake some shots and then going for a takedown. Oh, nice kick. Nice. You gotta be careful. Aman gotta be careful, doesn't get too cocky now. He's gonna get knocked out, man. He's so tired.
I think that's
he's just walking away.
That's a new move by Aman. He was just walking around in the cage.
To let go of that.
And he gets a takedown. Chungreng takes down Aman Saini and he's pounding.
Yeah, he took him down even though he held the cage. So great takedown.
लेकिन ये टेकडाउन खत्म नहीं कर रहा है.
As soon as you said it, man,
जैसे ही
there
मैंने
it
बोला
is.
वैसे ही उन्होंने टेकडाउन खत्म कर दिया.
Manipur gangster, ladies and gentlemen,
Ooh,
throwing
look at
in
those
some
knees.
big knees.
Another takedown. Oh, I love it. Smash him.
What an elbow!
That
What an
elbow
elbow!
hurt Aman, definitely. He turned around immediately after he hit that.
A little grounding pound here by the Manipur gangster.
Wow, क्या धमाकेदार शुरुआत है मैट्रिक्स फाइट नाइट 8 की.
Whoa, what a punch that was. A big right hand here by Manipur gangster.
He's putting it down, man. He's making it rain. He's dropping bombs on him. Putting so much energy in. They're still showing. Wow, what a takedown.
और एक और टेकडाउन लिया चुंगरेन ने. 10 सेकंड रहते हैं इस राउंड में.
Yeah, he's covering up now. I think the referee, exactly. Good stoppage, exactly. I was just about to say it. It looks like he's covering up. And what a wonderful work for the Manipur gangster. gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have got the
Watch
first.
the replay, you guys. He's taking the mount on
Hammer
top.
strikes.
Got his back, raining down punches. He's covered up. Great stop by the referee. He was not defending himself intentionally at all. Well done by the Manipur gangster. I'm so happy for him. Look at that victory celebration. Something like I would do, right, guys?
बिल्कुल जेसन, ये हमें पुराने दिनों की याद दिला दी इसने जो आप करते थे केज में जीतने के बाद.
It's going to be an excellent one. We've got Chungreng Koren, the Indian Rhino, returning to MFN. And he's taking on Manish Mahanta, who's making his pro debut tonight at MFN 11. And the action begins. Chungreng Koreng on your screen in the blue corner. And he's fighting Manish Mahanta.
Did you guys hear that leg kick?
Whoa, that was loud. Look at the way Chungreng is trying to charge in with big overhands. And Manish is keeping himself calm. Chungreng trying to take Manish. Oh, that was an excellent one.
Nice hip toss.
कमाल का टेक डाउन लिया और यहाँ पे जोरदार मुक्कों से शुरुआत करी.
Preventing him from climbing that cage here.
Wow, hard punches here, John. बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं वेस्ट कर रहे हैं चुंगरेन.
Another shot by Chungreng. Oh man, Chungreng is
Elbows.
up for a brawl.
Rahul, there are your toxic elbows again. And this time they're very toxic, Rahul.
I think that took a little bit out of Manish here. He's turtled up. He has taken some serious damage.
From all the positions, he's going to side control.
One thing Chungreng is also doing a great job of, picking his shots right here, picking Manish apart right here. All of
John,
these
this
shots
could be
hurt.
over here. This could be it.
This
Referee is
could be
watching
it.
very closely. Chungren is landing punches non-stop. He's throwing hammer strikes, elbows. He's just landing shots non-stop, and Manish is not doing anything at all. This
The
is
fight is
it,
over, guys.
ladies and gentlemen.
Chungreng's
Chungreng
salvo
wins.
ammunition was explosive here. Manish Mahanta via TKO in round number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got your winner for this bout, Chungreng Koreng, the Indian Rhino.
What a fight.
Let's move over to the next fight, which is the co-main event of the evening. In the bantamweight division, we have got Chungreng Koren in the blue corner, and he takes on the much and the very experienced Mohammad Farhad in the red corner. Make some noise for Chungreng Koren!
And his opponent, make some noise for Mohammad Farhad!
To get this fight started.
Oh, another one.
It's another calf kick, but this time Chungren up. Chungren's got him. And hang on. The guillotine. Hang on, he might have the guillotine here. He doesn't quite have it tight enough. And he's trying to step, he's trying to put the pressure on him. Switched his grip. The lean, lanky Farhad.
Oh, that's his territory now.
It's ground and pound city.
Well, this is where Chungreng establishes his dominant fighting style, throwing in a lot of punches from side control. Oh,
Nice overhand right by Chungren.
followed by a kick. Farhad a little wobbly here, looks a little bit tired.
Farhad is the grappling exchanges, I told you, are very, very heavy.
Oh.
Farhad definitely is looking a little weary.
Oh,
Oh, that's the ground and pound. Oh, just
Another
incredible. Incredible. Just the way he might.
well, those shots are definitely doing a lot of damage. A lot of damage.
Oh, big knee. Oh, he might be hurt here because of that knee. And it's just, again, the way he's chaining the striking and the takedowns together.
Oh,
Again, straight to the mat. And I fear we might be seeing the beginning of the end. I mean, if that's not a great strategy, I don't know what is. They gave no room to the Muay Thai striker. They started pounding. You know, I think that's enough. I think that's yes. There we go. I think that was enough. Mohammad Farhad was not posturing up, was not changing position. He was not offering any form of defense. But this moment belongs to Chungren Koren here because he brought the fight. He took it to Mohammad Farhad and he came away with that incredible finish. I want to see the fight metric, how many strikes he's landed.
ladies and gentlemen, we've got the winner for this bout, Chungreng Koren. He's now the MFN interim bantamweight champion, and he'll go on to challenge the current MFN bantamweight champion, Ulumi Kareem.
No, just incredible, man. And you know, my heart goes out to the challenger, Mohammad Farhad. He did such a great job. He's done such a good, he's had such great fights in his career. He's proved himself over and over again.
And now they are face to face.
I mean, the air is thick, my friend, as we get ready for this main event. Kantaraj in the white trunks, Chungrang, the interim champion, in the black.
Whoa!
Big left hook, immediately looks for that leg. Interesting strategy by Kantaraj Agasa.
Yeah, Chungrang lands a nice clean shot there against Kanta, gaining his respect, making him stay on the outside and think twice before coming in.
Oh.
Shots from both fighters, swing and miss. But again, Kanta gets a hold of him. But Chungrang this time a little more ready. He's prepared for that shot.
I'm very impressed here.
Oh, good hips there. He tried to throw him there. I think they're even in this. Oh,
Wow.
There he goes. Good
Lands
there you
it.
go. That can change around. He needs to watch out for the shot. Oh, man,
nice
just
switch.
ragdolling him.
Nice switch.
Kanta,
Nice ground and pound, putting the pressure on right now.
I mean, those
a
elbows
lot of pressure.
are horrible.
Devastating, vicious.
This might end
they don't
faster
stop
than we can
coming.
imagine. But
Yeah.
Kanta's still moving very well. Kanta turning, and he's defending himself intelligently. And right in front of us, that too.
Oh, Chungrang looking at Mark Goddard.
Yeah,
I mean,
asking if it's
Mark Goddard asking him to defend himself. And Kanta here is in a bad position. His eye is busted up. You can see he's hurting. Knee to the body, and he's just bullying him from this position. He needs to watch out for the shot to the head.
referee Mark
And
Goddard
Mark-
talking
those
to
elbows are
Kantaraj.
painful, man.
Mark Goddard is going to
asking
stop
him to-
this. And he stops the fight.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
I mean, that
We've
was
got
an
the
assault. That was a bullying. That was an assault. Such an accomplished
I'm
grappler.
shocked. I'm shocked.
I'm shocked.
100% shocked.
Let's look at the action
The
replay
Warrior
here.
Cove guys have
Chungrang
got it
Koren
going
with
on.
pure domination. And the referee Mark Goddard with that stoppage.
I mean, he
Another
gave him
stoppage.
every shot. He gave him every opportunity.
Ladies and gentlemen, ref Mark Goddard called a stop to this fight after 2 minutes and 46 seconds of round 2, declaring the winner. And now, the new MFN Bantamweight Champion of the World, the Indian Rising